Hey guys, today we're cooking delicious tacos with pulled beef.
First thing you'll need is your beef. Take a fatty brisket and salt it generously. Then you want to add your beef into a pan and sear it on all sides until it has a beautiful brown crust. Then take the meat out. In the meat juice, you will add 1 yellow onion and saute that until they soften. Then we're adding 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and mix it into the onions. Now we're adding 2 cloves of minced garlic and we saute it for a bit. Then add 3 cups or 700 milliliters of a rich beef stock. Add 3 to 4 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of powdered coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, freshly ground pepper, 2 teaspoons of oregano. Also add 2 to 3 dried chilies, which I totally forgot to show. Then we're going to place the meat into the pot with all those beautiful ingredients. Look at those colors, believe me, this will taste delicious. Let it simmer on medium heat for around 1.5 to 2 hours. And here we go, this is our final product, which will be perfect for our tacos. If you could only smell this, damn! So now you place the meat in a bowl, take 2 forks and shred the meat evenly until it looks like that. Now we're adding a few spoons of our broth to the meat and voila, the meat is ready. It's time for tacos. So for the taco we first off dip and cover the tortilla on both sides into the broth just like that. Now we place it in a preheated pan. Now we add a generous amount of meat on it. It's time to add some cheese. Or should I say, a lot of cheese. Finally, we drip some of our delicious broth on it. My mouth is watering already. Believe me when I say that this was so hard to film while I was hungry, which turned into hangry pretty soon. Anyways, after you close your tortilla and let it get a nice color, then we flip it and do the same on the other side. And those are our beautiful, delicious and juicy tacos, which are so easy to prepare. Just add some red onions and fresh cilantro.
What you want to do is squeeze some lime and then we dip it into the consomme.